If your new iPhone 7 is making a strange hissing or buzzing noise, you're not alone. Apple has received a series of complaints that the iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus are emitting an unusual humming sound when processor-intensive apps such as gaming are used. This video is inspired by an article written by Hope King of CNN Money. A link will be in the description box below. The phenomenon has already been called Hissgate on Twitter, with people tweeting clips of their phones making the noise. Apple faced Bendgate, a term coined by the internet after users discovered the iPhone 6 Plus bent under certain amounts of pressure. It is unknown as of now how many devices are affected or the cause of the issue. This isn't the only issue plaguing the latest iPhones. Some users have experienced problems with its new EarPods, which connect to both phones through the Lightning port. After plugging in the EarPods, the volume control portion of the cord, in some cases, stops working several minutes later. Others have reported issues with the new adapter that connects traditional headphones to the phone. Adapter times out on hashtag iPhone 7 when no music is playing. Makes answering the phone impossible, one Twitter user pointed out late Monday. Lightning headphone adapter shuts off after 5 minutes of inactivity if screen is off. Pause/volume don't work until replugging, said another. An Apple spokesman confirmed to CNN Money that the company is aware of the issue and is working on the fix. Apple recently ditched the traditional 3.5mm headphone jack in its latest devices in favor of using ones that connect to the Lightning port. The move is part of a greater effort to encourage users to embrace wireless headphones. So there you have it, folks. Post your comments below and tell me if you have had similar issues with your iPhone. Or tell me in the comments whether you are Team iPhone or Team Android. I hope this video has served as a light, entertaining, and informative distraction from an otherwise stressful, harsh, and cruel world. I'm a small channel, so please help me by subscribing, hitting the like button, turning on my channel notifications, and sharing this video. Links will be in the description box below to some of my other creations. I wholeheartedly thank you for your time. I am John Armstrong Media, and I approve this message.